how to turn on or turn off AdAttributionKit Developer Mode on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in Settings, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on Developer. If you do not have Developer, then tap on Privacy and Security. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on Developer Mode and make sure you turn on Developer Mode. Now we go back in Settings. Now tap on Developer and then scroll down. In here, tap on AdAttributionKit Developer Mode. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. And here it says shortens the time window in which AdAttributionKit and SKAd network send postbacks. Enabling Developer Mode reduces the privacy protections the system provides. Use this mode only during development or testing. This settings automatically turns off after 2 weeks. So if you turn it on after 2 weeks, it will automatically be switched off. And that's it. After, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.